In this video we will see how to remove blank rows in Google Sheets. Let's start by creating a filter. First, highlight the cells in your sheet that you'd like to filter. Next, click Data. Create a filter. You will now see the filter icon in the top cell of every column in the cells you selected. Click that icon to filter your spreadsheet based on the contents of a given column. Filter blanks only. Click OK and our spreadsheet is filtered. Now, delete blanks. Ctrl plus Shift plus down arrow is the keyboard shortcut to select all cells from the current cell down to the last used cell in the column. Right-click, then choose Delete Selected Rows. Finally, clear filter. Here is the result.